Why do you love being a cyber professional, and why should other people be a cyber pro?
I feel like it makes me feel like a superhero. I'm a nerd at heart, and so if you ever get to talk to me about Marvel or Star Wars or Game of Thrones, anything of that nature, I will talk your ear off for an hour with all of my theories. But I think it's cool to be on the good side and to say, "Hey, these are the things that we are doing to help protect people, to protect their personal information, to protect their families." I know that sounds a little woo woo rah rah, but I truly feel like we're kind of superheroes at the end of the day.
I love it. Favorite comic book hero?
Iron Man, duh. That's a easy one.
I like it. I like it. So maybe Pepper Potts, right? You could go with like that type of it. I like it. I like it a lot. Mine's Deadpool, so I don't know if we'll ever cross paths there, but